Hi everyone and welcome to this tutorial. My name is Gio and I'm an audio engineer. In this video, I would like to talk to you about something that is a real issue for a lot of us who work in the music industry and maybe suggest a solution. As you know, due to the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic, all concerts and events and gigs have been cancelled. A lot of musicians, music producers, audio engineers, and educators are now being required to move all of their business online on platforms such as Zoom or Skype or Google Hangout. The problem with this is that the compression algorithms inbuilt in these platforms are quite invasive, and this can result in a very different experience from what is being heard on one side and the other side of the video call. For this reason, today I want to talk to you about a really cool plugin called Listen To by Audiomovers. This plugin allows you to stream high-quality, uncompressed audio in real time with very low latency. Without further ado, let's dive into it. So the first thing we want to do is that we want to go to the Audiomovers website at audiomovers.com and click on free download to get a free week trial. Once you click, it's going to bring you to this page where you can select what operating system you're using. In this case, I'm using a Mac, so this is what I'm going to click on. The next thing we want to do is that we want to move to our DAW of choice. In this case, I'm using Pro Tools. As you can see, I have a session and a track that I've been working on recently. And we want to open the Listen To plugin and insert it on the master track in this case. So we type Listen To, and let's take a look at the interface. So the very first thing to do, we want to log in with our Audiomovers credentials in order to be able to stream. The second thing is that I'm going to rename the session and call it Test Tutorial so that people know what we're listening to. And here it's the most important part. We have the quality. So it goes from all the way down from 128 kilobits per second all the way to PCM 32-bit uncompressed audio files. For the bandwidth of my connection, I found out that 320 is the best for me. The next thing is that there is a limit of how many people you can have listening to. In this case, it's 40. And then the latency for a stream can go all the way down from 0.1 second to 1 second. If you are a musician trying to perform a live set, maybe you want to have a lower latency. And if you're just streaming your file to a client, you can have as much latency as you want. As you can see, when we start the transmission, the meters show what we're playing, and it's right there. It's very simple. So the next thing is that we want to copy the link. This is the link that you're going to have to send to your audience or to your clients, and we want to paste this link into a browser. I'm using Chrome because it doesn't really work well with Safari. So once we paste it, we wait for it to load, and we want to click on Start Listening. And as you can see, it's disconnected now, but it's going to connect very quickly. Perfect. Now you can see the session name, test tutorial, the 48 kilohertz sample rate, and the quality as everything that we set. I'm now going to mute it because if I don't, you're going to hear a delay. But now if I play a song from Pro Tools, you can see the meters reading what we're listening to.
Like strangers, nothing more than time that I remember.
So as you can see, it is very simple to use. The interface is very intuitive and everyone can use it. It's very, very easy. So thank you for joining me in this video today, and I hope this was helpful. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments down below, and I'm gonna leave all the links in the description box.